What if it is 2000? Something, Kavish.
Teacher is here.
Hare Krishna.
Okay, teacher is here.
Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna, everybody.
Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna. Okay,
Hare Krishna Mataji. This is Hare Krishna Mataji. Hare Krishna Mataji.
Hare Krishna Palved, Hare Krishna Kavish, Hare Krishna Tanvik, Hare Krishna everybody. Okay. Mataji, can I? Okay, thank you.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Okay, let us all start with the class. Yes. Om Ajnanatimirandasya. Everybody can unmute yourself and we can say together, okay? Om
Ajnanatimirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Shri Gurave Namah Chaitanya Manobishtam Bhutale Ayam Gadani Swapadantikam Om Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prestaya Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Niti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gaurabani Vipashanyapadi Pachadate Shri Krishna Chaitanya Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Rama Hare Hare Krishna Hare Rama Hare Krishna Hare Rama Hare Krishna Mataji, it's Deepak. Hare Krishna Mataji, Hare Rama, Rama Hare Hare.
Hare Krishna, Hare
Krishna,
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 Hare
Hare
Rama, Rama,
Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama,
Did all of you chant? Hare Krishna Vaishnavi. I hope you all chanted 11 times.
Yes.
I'm sorry, my kids were causing a lot of trouble. They were fighting here. So I could not chant with you properly. I'm so sorry. But I hope you all chanted nicely. Okay, so today let us see the story. You know, we have a very nice story. I think most of you know. So but before yes, does anybody want to say anything? Okay.
I want to say something. I want to say something.
Yes, is it Vrinda?
I wanted to say that what story are we doing today?
Oh, today Keshav Kashmiri. Keshav Kashmiri, how he surrenders to Lord Chaitanya.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Vrinda. Okay. So, before we start, I have something small, to say that, how Chaitanya Mahaprabhu reveals himself to Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. So, because when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he goes to Jagannath Puri, he meets Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya. But, but what Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, there is a verse.
in the house right now.
I want everybody to be on mute, okay? There is no talking right now. When you have a question, when I stop talking, then you can ask, okay? Right now, since I'm telling you the story, so we will all be quiet. Yeah?
Okay.
Okay, thank you. So there is this, famous verse in Srimad Bhagavatam, okay? In 1.7. Vaishnavi, you have to be on mute. Vaishnavi, can you be on
Keshav
mute?
Kashmiri surrender to the Lord.
Okay, so there is this Atma Rama verse, okay? And you know what? Because the Sanskrit, there are so many meanings. So for same word, you can have so many synonyms. So like that, this verse is very, very famous verse. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gives, 64 meanings of this verse, from this Atmaram verse. So, but, the main thing, that this verse is about is like, if someone like we are materially happy, we are spiritually satisfied, but still, even though if we have everything, still, what, we are attracted to the transcendental qualities, the qualities of the Lord, and that, that we engage in devotional service of the Lord. So, the main thing that we're doing right now is we are chanting, we are hearing stories, we are doing all kinds of activities. Why? So that we can engage ourselves in serving Krishna with love. So that is devotional service. So that is what we all have to understand, the main purpose is to serve Krishna with love. So that's what we are trying to do. And when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gives, so many explanation of this verse, then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya in Jagannath Puri, he meets him at Jagannath Puri when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu goes there. So then hearing about this verse from Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he's totally convinced that, this is not an ordinary person and he's none other than the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Okay, so that is very, very important. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, time and again, he reveals himself to his devotees. We remember also he showed his form to Advaita Acharya, like that here, by talking such, high, because explaining the meaning, because nobody else can do like that. So then Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya is totally convinced that this is Supreme Personality of Godhead. So like that, we have the story of Keshav Kashmiri. Now, Keshav Kashmiri, he's not an ordinary person. He is a Pandit, he's a very, very, very learned scholar. And, what he does is everywhere he goes and he defeats people through debate and through his talks. So like that, what he wants to do is he wants to debate with everybody throughout India and he wants to be the topmost scholar throughout India. So like that, he's touring all over India. So what does he do? Whenever he debates with people and then he wins, so he asks them to sign to show that, that he has been, the people have been defeated by him. So, and he's not, he's a very, very, very staunch and, great believer in Mother Saraswati. Before debate, he will always, always pray to Mother Saraswati because she is the goddess of knowledge, right? So she gives us the knowledge. That's why, the books, if we are, if you see the books down, we don't keep any books down. We don't stamp on the books because we get knowledge from the books. So that is Mother Saraswati. But, there is one place he has still not visited, and that is Navadvip. So he has set his eyes on Navadvip. Okay. So then what happens is, people of Navadvip, then he wants to defeat everybody in Navadvip, all the Pandits in Navadvip. Because that time, Bengal, that is the center of learning. So many Pandits are there in. So what happens is, what? Then people of Navadvip, they have already heard about Keshav Kashmiri. They have already heard about Keshav Kashmiri a lot. So they are very, scared. They don't want to debate with him and lose. So what do they do is they come up with a plan. What do they think? What do you think they want to do? They are going to put forward who? Nimai Pandit, because Nimai is not very old. Okay. So what they are trying to do is they are trying to make Keshav Kashmiri debate with a small boy. Because, if Keshav Kashmiri defeats Nimai Pandit, then they can all say, right, oh, he's just a small boy. So when he grows up, he will again, he can again debate and he can win. But if Nimai Pandit defeats Keshav Kashmiri, they can all say, oh, see, a small boy defeated Keshav Kashmiri, and they can all take pride in that. So they are trying to, do that politically, because they don't want to do themselves, because if they get defeated, it will be a shame, right? So, like that, but they don't know who Nimai Pandit is, right? Nobody knows who Nimai Pandit is. So then what happens is they decide to use Chaitanya Mahaprabhu for this debate. Now, the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Nimai, he goes to the bank of Ganges and then he's taking bath and then he's just, the daily activities that we start, he's doing it. But then, who does he meet there? He meets Keshav Kashmiri there, and, see, that is how Krishna arranges everything to happen. So then what happens is they start talking with each other. So then, Keshav Kashmiri, then Nimai Pandit tells, oh, why don't you compose? See, I am just a normal, grammar student. I don't have much knowledge. I'm not a scholar or anything. So because you're such a great scholar and I have interest in poetry, why don't you compose some verses for Mother Ganges? So then, Keshav Kashmiri, he is, how he is. He is also very puffed up and arrogant, he's not very humble, right? So he, composes 100 beautiful verses, for Mother Ganges. But, what Nimai does? Nimai, he just takes one of the verse from that 100 verses, just in between, he takes one verse and then he points out, tells him, there are some good and bad things in this verse, some bad qualities and good qualities. So can you just state some of the bad and the good qualities of this verse? And then Keshav Kashmiri is taken aback. I mean, he did not even memorize, he did not even write it down. He just heard it once. And from that, he has chosen a verse, and then he's asking him to, point out the bad and the good of that verse for whatever mistakes he has made. But, Keshav Kashmiri is like, good and the bad. There is nothing bad. There is nothing wrong with what I have said. There is no mistake in my words. But then, Nimai Pandit, he points out the error. He says, there is double negatives, there is misuse of the syllables, there is some grammatical and metamorphical error, all those things he says. But then he, at the same time, he also points out, what are the positive, what are the good qualities of that verse. He says, how you have nicely used the similes, the metaphors, you have used the different poetic embellishments, like that. He's telling him, how nice, flowery, nice words you have all used in your verses. So like that, Nimai Pandit is telling. So because, Keshav Kashmiri, he said, I never make mistake. There is nothing wrong. And since Nimai Pandit pointed out the mistake in that, so now what Keshav Kashmiri has happened to him? He has been totally defeated. And, he goes back home and he's thinking. He's like, I pray to Mother Saraswati, and then I totally trust her. And then how could I, say that there is no mistake when Nimai Pandit pointed out so many mistakes on that verse? And he's saying, now, please, Mother Saraswati, reveal to me, why did this happen? What wrong did I do? What offense did I do? So then that night, Mother Saraswati reveals to him. she tells that, you should accept your defeat because Nimai Pandit is none other than the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He's my master. He's my husband. I serve him. So, you have to go and you have to, ask for forgiveness. So then, next day, immediately, what does Keshav Kashmiri do? He goes and then he begs for forgiveness, from Nimai Pandit, because now he understands he's not some ordinary boy, small boy, but he's the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So then now, he has totally become a very, very great devotee, because he has the mercy and the blessing of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So, this story is very nice because many a times we are so arrogant, right? We become so puffed up, like, I know everything. I know this, I know that. I cannot be wrong. But, Lord is always teaching us that we should not be like that because there is somebody greater than us who has given us this intelligence. And we should always be thankful and use it in the service of Krishna. Okay? So, this is the story for today. Can you tell me from any other pastime? Okay, even from Krishna, do you remember anywhere where, Krishna, he humbled a devotee who became very, very arrogant and puffed up? Can anybody tell me?
Indra.
Indra, yes, very nice.
Indra.
Yes, Indra.
And Balavrinda say,
Yes, Balavrinda.
Brahma Indra.
Yes. More than Brahma, Indra was trying to play tricks. Yes.
We saw two of the stories, so I know it's Lord Brahma and Lord Indra. So Lord Brahma's assistant, he said one boy, he's doing some magical things. Then Lord Brahma was amazed. He didn't know. And this boy was not an ordinary boy. He was the Supreme Personality of Godhead. So
Yes, that's correct.
So he totally forgot Lord Krishna.
Yeah, that is correct. But more than Brahma, it was Lord Indra, who was very puffed up and arrogant and who even fought with Krishna. Remember, causing so much of rain, thunderstorm, rainfall, because he was so, intoxicated with his power that I am the king of heaven. How can they divert their sacrifice? Listening to an ordinary boy. So that is actually a better example. Brahma, yes. Brahma was more proud and arrogant. No, Indra was the one like Keshav Kashmiri. He was very puffed up. He was very much puffed up. Okay, any other story? Do you know any other pastime? Otherwise, we'll go to the activity. Anybody else has to say anything?
I know one story.
Who is that?
Tanvik.
Okay, Tanvik, yeah.
I know one story.
Yes.
It's about. I learned one story from I watched. It's called Octonauts. Then there's a one man. His name is Captain Barnacle. He was chased by a shark. So he entered the octopod and then
Oh, Tanvik, thank you. I was thinking if any story you know from, Krishna's pastimes, if you know, then you can tell me. Okay. Oh, you're telling the Octonaut stories. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Tanvik. Okay, let's go to the activity. So this is the jumble word. Okay. I want you all to raise your hand in the participant. Okay. When you raise your hand, I will call out your name. Please. So this is only from the story, okay? This is totally from the story. So you can tell me, okay, Balavrinda, what is the first one? Balavrinda. Balavrinda, you want to say what is the first one? I cannot hear you, Balavrinda. You or oh, I don't know who raised her hand. Vrinda,
Jumping off the side.
Adha Vrinda or Balavrinda? Who raised her hand?
Raise your hand.
I don't know. Okay, I don't know who raised hand. Okay, Tanvik, you want to go? What is the first one? We are doing the
Keshav
jumbled words.
Kashmiri. Keshav Kashmiri.
Yeah, it's Keshav Kashmiri. Okay. Palvit, what is the second one? It's something from the title. What is the second one? It's something the title of the story today. What is the second one? Palvit, you want to try?
The
What
One
is
second.
today? Second one.
I don't know, Mataji.
You don't know? Okay. Let me see. Okay, Mother wants to say. Mother wants to say the second one. What is the second? Mother wants to say. What did you say, Mother?
Surrender.
Yes, surrender. Correct. Okay. Brinda, did you raise your hand, Brinda? I called you again and again, Brinda. Brinda, did you raise your hand? Oh, then I was calling you. I did not hear you. Okay, you want to say the third one? What is the third one?
Mataji, this is Shubhadra. Can I say?
Brinda raised her hand. I will give you a chance. Let me see. Brinda, you want to say, you will get a chance, Subhadra. Wait. Brinda, you want to say the third one? What is the third one? Who is Keshav Kashmiri? He's a, what do you think? He's a scholar. What do you call for scholar? What is the other name for scholar? Raghav, you want to say Raghav? Who is Keshav Kashmiri? Keshav Kashmiri. Yes, he is a Pandita. Correct. Okay. Okay. Tushita is a little bit difficult. Okay. Shubhadra. Let me give Shubhadra. What do you think the fourth one is? Shubhadra Giridhari. What do you think the fourth one is? I told you it's an important verse from Srimad Bhagavatam. And what is that word I was telling you in the beginning? Anybody else? I know it's a little bit difficult word. Okay. What was that word?
Aswavam.
Yes, who said that?
Appavam.
Who said that? Oh, very nice. Okay, Atmaram. Yes, that is the word I was looking for. Shh, Balram, don't do that. Don't do that, please. Okay, Tushita, you want to say Tushita?
Saraswati Devi.
Yes, Saraswati. Raghav, did I give you a chance, Raghav? Raghav, do you want to say the sixth one, Raghav?
Can I do Mataji?
Oh, Jahnavi. Actually, Raghav was raising the hand. Raghav. Where is Raghav?
Mataji
Oh,
already.
he got a chance. Okay. Okay. Wait. Isha and Vikram. Isha and Vikram.
Defeat.
Defeat. Yes. Okay. That is Deepak. Okay, Jahnavi, you wanted to go ahead. Oh, I'm sorry, I cannot give chance to everybody. Jahnavi.
Jagannath Puri.
Yes, Jagannath Puri, because that is where he met Sarvabhauma Bhattacharya, isn't it? That's where he discussed this important words of Srimad Bhagavatam, giving so many meanings, isn't it, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Okay, that I hope you all like the story today and you enjoyed the scrambled words. Now we will do the shloka and the rhyme. Let us welcome Anjana Gopika Mataji. Hari Bol.
Hari
Hare Krishna Mataji.
everyone.
It's
Okay, we'll learn the sloka and rhyme. Okay.
Mataji.
Hari Bol. Misi Bhagwanu Vacha. Sochyanan Vasocaswam. Asocyanan Vasocaswam. Pragnavadam Savasase. Pragnavadam Savasase. Tasunagata Sumsa. Gata Sunagata Sumsa. Nanu Sochanti Panditaha. Nanu Sochanti Panditaha. Sri Bhagavanu Vacha. Asocyanan Vasocaswam. Pragnavadam Savasase. Pragnavadam Savasase. Gata Sunagata Sumsa. Shanti Pandita. Okay, last time, okay? Sri Bhagavanu Vacha. Asocyanan Vasocaswam. Pragnavadam Savasase. Tasunagata Sumsa. Nanu Sosanti Pandita. Okay, we'll go to the rhyme now. Mati, can you go to the rhyme? Okay. Okay, you can all repeat after me. Do you know this man who called the light to descend on this earth?
Lord to descend on this earth.
Do you know this man who prayed light to descend on this earth?
Do you know Lord to descend on this earth?
The light to descend on this earth.
He is one from the Yoga. He is one of the great Kali acharyas in this Kali Yoga.
On this earth. Do you know this?
He is very loving and kind, compassionate to fallen souls.
He is one of great Acharya who have in this Kali Yuga.
He is one of great Acharya.
He is very loving, kind, and compassionate to fallen souls.
He is very loving and
Fallen soul.
He is the avatar of Sadasiva and Mahavishnu.
He is the avatar and Mahavishnu and
The praise and sing loudly to the Lord.
He said,
Yes, the Lord heard his cry and appeared in Kali Yuga.
Yes, the Lord
appeared in Kali Yuga.
He came in his golden hue as merciful Lord Gauranga.
He came in as merciful Lord.
Do you know he is sing as one in the Panchatattva?
Do you know he is as one in the Panchatattva?
He is called the Acharya, Advaita Acharya.
He is one of the Acharya, Advaita Acharya.
All glories to you, dear Advaita Acharya.
All glory to you, Advaita Acharya.
Let us all take blessing to get the mercies of Supreme Lord.
Let the mercy of Supreme Lord.
Okay, we'll go to the break room. Mataji will take us in the break room. And you can share your flow. Okay?
Mataji, can Shubhadra go, Mataji?
Yes, yes, I am. We will go to the break room and then you can practice one by one. Okay, Subhadra. Yes, go ahead, Subhadra.
Can you put the shloka?
Yes. No. Yes.
Anuvacha asochan anavastochastam pragyanavadam shabhasyase gatashun atagatu sanscha nasushanti ataha.
Yes.
Know this man who is called the Lord to descend on this earth. Do you know who this prayed to?
Can you, Subhadra, 1 second, Janvi and you together do the. Can you do?
Okay, Mataji.
Do
Do you know who this man is called to descend on this earth? Do you know who this man who prayed to Lord to descend on this earth? He is one of the great acharyas in this world. He is very kind and compassionate to fallen souls. He is he sat on the bank of Ganges crying loudly to the yes, the Lord is crying in Kali Yuga.
He came in
his golden who is merciful Lord Gauranga. Do you know he is dancing as it's called Acharya, Advaita Acharya.
all
All
glory.
glory to dear Advaita Acharya.
Thank you.
Wait,
Can you, Janavi, can you say the sloka?
Yeah.
Association.
Shri Bhagavan Vaja Sasyan Anvash Ujastam Raknavadam Subhashita Tatashun Chatashan Nayo Shanti Panditaha.
Thank you. Who raised their hand now? Tanvik. Yes, Tanvik. Go ahead. Tanvik, are you there? Okay, Madhav. Madhav, can you go next? Yeah, Madhav and Deepak, can you do the rhyme together?
Shri Bhagavan Vasha Ashochanan Vashochastam Prajavalam Sabhasase Matasum Magadasum Cha Nanashochanti Pandita.
Yeah, Deepak and Madhav both together, can you do the rhyme together?
Do you know this man who called the Lord to descend on this earth? Do you know this man who prayed to the Lord to descend on this earth? He is one of great Acharya we have in this Kali Yuga. He is very loving, kind, and compassionate to fallen souls. He is the avatar of Sadashiva and Mahavishnu. He sat on the bank of Ganges, crying loudly to the Lord. Yes, the Lord heard his cry and appeared in Kali Yuga. He came in his golden hue as merciful as Lord Gauranga. Do you know he is dancing as one as in the Tattva? He is called the Acharya, Advaita Acharya. All glories to you, dear Advaita Acharya. That's all? I can't say. I can only say. Where's the rest? Mataji, hurry.
There's the
Hare
last
Krishna, Anjana Gopika Mataji.
Yes,
Hare Krishna, Anjana Gopika Mataji.
yes,
Mataji, after closing this call, Mataji, you don't have to close this call, Mataji. Just give Padmasaki Mataji co-host because I don't have power. Hindu Mataji is outside. Please take care of Govinda class, Mataji, please.
Yes. Even though something happened, I'll join as host, Mataji. Okay. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Hari bol.
Hare
Yes.
Krishna Mataji. It's
Madhav,
Deepak. I can't see the rest of the words, only half. I can only see Lord fully.
Okay. That is only one line is fine because it was covering. That's fine. Somebody can do next.
Hare
Tushita.
Krishna Mataji, it's
Hare Krishna Mataji, can I make this spoken wrong? This is Tanvik.
Yes, Anvi, go ahead.
Shri Bhagavan Vacha Asocha Manvasocha Stam Pragnavadam Cha Vasase Gatasuna Gatasum Cha Nanasochanti Pandita. Mataji, can I do the rhyme?
Yes.
Can I do the starting?
Yes, you can. It's from the starting is there, you know.
Do you know this man who call a lot to descend on this world? Do you know this man pray to the Lord to descend? He is one of the great Acharya we have in this Kali Yuga. He is very loving and kind to compassion to fallen souls. He is the avatar of Sadashivaya and Mahavishnu. He sat on the banks of Ganges and cried loudly to the Lord. Yes, the Lord heard this cry appear in this Kali Yuga. He came in this golden, huge, merciful Lord Ranga. Do you know he is dancing in this Panchatattva?
He is
He
called.
is called the Acharya, Advaita Acharya. All glories to our dear Advaita Acharya. Thank you.
Let us. Yes, thank you. And now Raghav, Tushita and Raghav is there. 1 second. Ratusita, can you go next?
Okay.
श्रीभगवानुवाच अशोच्यान्
Ashochan.
अनवशोचस्त्वम्
Ashochan.
प्रज्ञावादांश्च
Aryavadan.
भाषसे
Hashase.
गतासून्
Rastasun.
गतासूंश्च
Tasun. Sa.
नानुशोचन्ति पण्डितः
Nanu Shochanti Bantata.
Do you know this man
Do you know this man
who called the Lord to descend on this earth?
who called this
Lord to descend on this earth. Do you know this man who prayed to Lord?
Do you know this man who prayed to Lord
To descend on this.
on this earth?
He is one of great Acharya
He is an great Acharya.
we have in Kali Yuga.
We have in Kali Yuga.
He is very loving, kind, and compassionate.
He is very,
Loving, kind,
he is very loving, kind,
and compassionate to fallen souls.
and compassionate to fallen souls.
He is the avatar of Sadashiva and Mahavishnu.
He is the Avtara,
Sadashiva and
and
Maha-
Mahavishnu.
he sat on the bank of Ganges,
He sat on a man and then sat on
the
a
bank of Ganges,
and
crying loudly to the Lord.
he's crying loudly to Lord.
Yes, the Lord heard his cry
Yes, the Lord heard her cry.
and appeared in Kali Yuga.
Appeared in Kali Yuga.
He came in his golden hue,
He came in his
golden
hue.
as merciful Lord Gauranga.
Have mercy for her, Gauranga.
Do you know his dancing
Do you know his dancing?
as one in the Panchatattva?
And one in the
Panch-
Panchatattva.
He is called the Acharya, Advaita Acharya.
He is called Advaita Acharya.
All glories to our dear Advaita Acharya. All glories to our dear
Goes to the dear
Advaita
Advaita
Acharya.
Acharya. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you so much, Raghav. Can you go, Raghav?
Sri Bhagavan Vacha Sochana Anvasochana Tvam Prajnanavada Chabasa Se Tatase Gatasunya Agasasucha Manasujante Pandita.
Just the shloka, Mataji doesn't want to do the rhyme.
Oh, okay. Okay, Mataji. Who want to go? Mayuk, can you go next, Mayuk?
Yes. Do you know this man who got the Lord to descend on this earth? Do you know this man who prayed to the Lord to descend on this earth? He is one of great Acharya we have in Kali Yuga. He is very loving, kind, and compassionate to fallen souls. He is
the Avtara
he is the Atan of Sadashiva
and Mahavishnu.
and Mahavishnu. He sat on the
Bank of Ganges.
Bank of Ganges, lying loudly to the loud. Yes, the loud heard him and appeared to Kalika. He came in his golden hue,
As merciful
as merciful as Lord
Gauranga.
Gauranga.
Do
Do
you
you know this man?
know he is dancing?
As one of the
Panch-
Padratava. He is called a Acharya.
Advaita Acharya.
Advaita Acharya. All
glories to you, dear.
gold is to you, dear.
Advaita
Advaita Acharya. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you. Mataji is Mataji Swamarupini Mataji join. Yeah, it's already time. Mataji is not 8.
Mata Garubeta Kapasundar Devata Patina Bhava Vedno Vishnu Vedya Namo Nama. Which age level is this for? It's getting late. Which age level is this for?
No, Mataji, it's Deepak. Is it the end of the class?
Yes, Mataji, Swamarupini Mataji, you can end the call,
End
Mataji.
the call. Okay, Mataji.
And